Welcome to Innovative Approaches to Justice, the NJC Experience, a joint project between the Neighbourhood Justice Centre, or the NJC as it is often called, and the Australian Centre for Justice Innovation at Monash University. I'm Magistrate David Fanning. I've been the presiding magistrate at the NJC for the past 6.5 years, that is, since the centre opened in 2007. The NJC is Australia's first community justice centre, which includes a multi-jurisdictional court that incorporates therapeutic and problem-solving approaches. The 6 online modules have been designed to explore the judicial approaches used at the NJC and in other Victorian magistrates' courts to address the underlying causes of offending.
As part of this project, we convened a panel discussion of magistrates to discuss different therapeutic, procedural and problem-solving approaches. Professor Ari Freiberg from the Australian Centre for Justice Innovation facilitated the discussion among Deputy Chief Magistrate Jelena Popovic, Magistrates Kathy Lamble and Duncan Reynolds from the Melbourne Magistrates Court, Pauline Spencer from the Dandenong Magistrates Court, and Sue Wakeling from the Heidelberg Magistrates Court. These magistrates all sit in mainstream magistrates' courts and use a range of different techniques to support procedural justice and problem-solving approaches. We hope that this project will encourage the use of problem-solving techniques in courts and will stimulate broader discussion about innovative approaches to justice. This project recognises and respects that some magistrates will identify with problem-solving approaches and therapeutic and collaborative principles, and others may not. However, we hope that these modules will be useful in identifying techniques that can be used in court practice. These modules do not seek to change the sentencing process that all magistrates are required to apply. The different techniques are presented as options that are based on the experience at the NJC and in other magistrates' courts. The modules contain suggestions about different styles that can be used in the sentencing process and strategies regarding the use of these techniques in time-pressured and resource-constrained courts. The approaches highlighted in these modules will not be suitable for every case. They may not be appropriate where the offence is very serious or relatively minor. It is also recognised that, at the NJC, some treatment and service providers are on site, so persons appearing before the court are able to access them quickly and easily. Another benefit of co-location is that treatment and service providers are available for court appearances. Each module consists of videos, written information, tip sheets and resource sheets compiled by the Australian Centre for Justice Innovation, in close consultation with Magistrate David Fanning of the NJC. This module introduces key concepts underpinning the NJC, including therapeutic jurisprudence, procedural justice, and problem-solving approaches to judging, and provides written material and resource lists. The other modules cover different stages of the criminal court process. Module 2 discusses general techniques that can be used in court. Module 3 discusses pre-plea, plea and sentencing. Module 4 discusses the conduct of judicial monitoring reviews. Module 5 offers troubleshooting suggestions for broader issues. And Module 6 recaps the 8 key messages from the modules.
The Magistrates Court of Victoria has a Neighbourhood Justice Division. The court has 4 other divisions. The Neighbourhood Justice Division sits at a venue of the court in Collingwood called the Neighbourhood Justice Centre. The Centre's purpose is to address the underlying causes of offending behaviour by using restorative justice and therapeutic jurisprudence and employ collaborative, multidisciplinary case management framework. This project aims to provide a user-friendly online tool for judicial officers, court administrators, academics and members of the community interested in learning more about community justice, therapeutic jurisprudence and pragmatic approaches to justice. It draws on the experience of David Fanning and other magistrates. This project encompasses issues of procedural fairness. It also covers therapeutic justice, seeking to go a step further, and engage the person as an important and active partner in the sentencing process. Where an accused person is found guilty of an offence or offences, the ultimate purpose of sentencing is to protect the community. If there is an underlying cause capable of treatment, the community may well benefit from its treatment. During the modules of the project, Mr Fanning deals with important practical issues for magistrates, including deferral of sentences and judicial monitoring. The former has been used more extensively in the Neighbourhood Justice Centre, while the latter is a new tool for magistrates in the context of the Community Corrections Order. We live in a digital age. We receive so much information digitally. The importance of the printed document lessens. This project embraces the digital age by making the modules available, and interestingly so, by digital means. I commend this project to my colleagues and others interested in the criminal justice system.
Module 1 also includes the following resources: background materials,